Let's take a look at the headlines. All Parliament building to be known as Samvidhan Sadan. VPP questions excessive use of force and brutality by the police during the public hearing held at Thangskai village. Dr. Ampareen Lingdor welcomes Women Reservation Bill which guarantees a 33% quota for women. And East Khas Hills district has the highest number of crimes registered from 2020 to 2023, says Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong. The news in detail. The new Parliament building has been designated as the Parliament House of India. A Lok Sabha Secretariat notification issued today said the new building of Parliament situated in the precinct of the Parliament House, east of the existing Parliament House with Raisina Road to the south and Red Cross Road to the north. The Lok Sabha assumed proceedings in the new Parliament building at 1:15 p.m. while the Rajya Sabha assembled at 2:15 p.m. Replying to the opposition MLA motion, Bright Starwell Marbanyang questioning the use of force on villagers who are protesting to the public hearing to the expansion of the Meghalaya Cements Limited Topsem at Thangskai village, Deputy Chief Minister in charge Home Police Preston Tinsong has defended the police had no option but to use reasonable force to contain the violent mob during the hearing.
Centers for providing services for violence-affected women, including also irregular supply of sanitary.
At the very outset, I would like to recognize the critical role of the police department in the society. They are the custodial of law and order, responsible for maintaining peace, ensuring safety and security, and upholding the principles of justice.
While welcoming the initiatives of Prime Minister Narendra Modi on empowering women with 33% quota for women in Lok Sabha and state assemblies, she expressed whether this bill will happen quickly or it will take time.
Please do not confuse our customary practices with the politics and the changing. I think women are, leaders naturally. There's an inborn quality for women in general to be active in so many spheres of issues in the community. I don't think much preparation has to go on. Now let's hope this bill takes shape quickly. Let's hope you declare. You will have to decide whether it will be a balloted procedure, whether it will go by odd numbers, by even numbers, is it going to be number 1 and then number 4, number 7. So the modalities have to now be worked on. I appeal to my government, give this bill a chance.
Deputy Chief Minister in charge Home Police Preston Tinsong told the Assembly on Tuesday that East Khas Hills district has the highest number of crimes registered from 2020 to 2023 with a total of 5,196 cases. While replying to the question raised by UDP legislator Meral Bodsim during the ongoing autumn session, Tinsong said that several steps have been taken by the government to control crime in the state and also to tackle crime against women.
Top crisis centers for providing services for violence-affected women, including police facilitation, legal counseling, psychosocial counseling, medical aid and temporary shelter have been set up in 11 districts of the state. Women help desk to facilitate crime reported by women and children has also been set up in various police stations across the state. Crime scene unit comprising of experts from the State Forensic Science Laboratory and the Fingerprint Bureau has also been constituted to assist the investigating officer, especially in cases relating to crime against women and children.
Ganesh Chaturthi is also being celebrated in Shillong. This day is celebrated as the birth anniversary of Lord Ganesha, a symbol of knowledge, prosperity and good fortune. This festival is being celebrated with reverence and gaiety throughout the country. President Draupadi Murmu and Prime Minister Narendra Modi have greeted the people of the country on the occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi. Modi, in a social media post, he wished for good fortune, success and prosperity in everyone's life. Indian football team will kick off their Asian Games journey with a difficult game against host China in Hangzhou today. The match will start at 5 p.m. Indian time. Veteran forward Sunil Chhetri will be leading India against host China in their Group A match at the Hua Long Sports Center Stadium. The 19th Asian Games are scheduled to commence from 23rd of this month, but same events, including the football, will kick off today. The weather report. The maximum temperature was 24.7 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 16.9 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 95%, while in the evening was 91%. 1.1 millimeters of rainfall was recorded. The forecast: moderate rain is very likely to occur at many places. Before I wind up, here are the headlines once again. Old Parliament building to be known as Samvidhan Sadan. VPP questions excessive use of force and brutality by the police during the public hearing held at Thangskai village. Dr. Amberine Lingdor welcomes Women Reservation Bill which guarantees a 33% quota for women. And East Khasi Hills district has the highest number of crimes registered from 2020 to 2023, says Deputy Chief Minister Presto Tinsong. That's all we have in the news for today. Do tune in again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Until then, it's good night.